Mummy can see.
Okay.
Okay.
Open it up
You
then.
can open them up now.
Is that from Stephen? What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Can you guess?
Yeah.
Open the wrapping, Holly.
Oh.
What's inside? Open it up.
Oh. Is it Pepper?
Yeah.
Muddy Puddle Pepper. That's it, Holly. What have you got?
Holly,
Here, Daddy
open up
will
your
help
one,
you.
Holly. Open up your one, Holly.
You help her. Rosie, you help her open up hers. She can look at yours while you open up hers. She'll just look at it, yeah. And say, Holly, what have you got?
Okay. Holly, what do you got? Oh, wow. What is this?
Is it Woolly and Tig for Holly?
Yeah. Look, Holly.
I think you'd both better say thank you to Stephen. They're two good presents, aren't they?
Baby Stephen got them.
You gonna say thank you to Stephen?
Thank you.
Holly, can you say thank you?
Yeah, I mean this for me.
It needs batteries too. I put the batteries inside.
Give Stephen a kiss, Rosie. Say thank you.
What?
Give him a kiss to say thank you.
I can't see him.
Oh, good girl.